Today, we've got some seriously practical strategies lined up that are going to make a real difference in your financial game. We're talking about stuff you can start doing right now to see those dollars stack up. Now, let's get real. We all want to save more money, right? But sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Well, worry no more because we've got your back. We're diving deep into TN's simple yet powerful ways to supercharge your savings and cut down on those pesky expenses. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs that'll have you saying goodbye to debt and hello to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Number 1, car financing. If you're feeling overwhelmed by a big car loan, it might be a good idea to think about getting a less expensive car instead. Selling the fancy car you have and buying a cheaper one could help ease the stress on your wallet each month. Another option is if you're renting a car right now, you could plan to switch to a cheaper one when your rental agreement ends. Choosing a car that you can keep for a long time might be a smarter move for your money in the future. Number 2, vehicle maintenance. To save more money on car repairs and maintenance, it's smart to take advantage of discounts whenever you can. Look out for coupons, especially for regular tasks like getting your oil changed. It's also a good idea to check prices at different repair shops to find the best deals. Websites like Angie's List can help you find mechanics with good reputations, so you know you're getting quality service for your money. And don't forget to learn a little bit about taking care of your car yourself. Knowing the basics can help you handle small repairs on your own, which can save you even more money in the long run. Number 3, managing transportation expenses. Controlling transportation costs is a challenge, but there are ways to manage expenses wisely. While fuel prices are beyond our control, maintaining a fuel-efficient vehicle and exploring alternative commuting options like telecommuting or carpooling can help optimize expenditure. Additionally, minimizing the use of ride-sharing services and cutting down on unnecessary trips can contribute to overall savings. By making small changes and smart choices, we can effectively reduce transportation expenses without sacrificing convenience. Number 4, insurance. Consider exploring alternative insurance providers to potentially secure better rates for equivalent coverage. If satisfied with your current insurer, inquire with your agent regarding available discounts. Present any competitive quotes to your current provider and negotiate matching terms if advantageous. In terms of health insurance, evaluate your health status. Opting for a higher deductible can often translate to lower monthly premiums. Ensure to establish a health emergency fund, particularly if enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. When it comes to life insurance, assess whether comparable coverage is available at a lower cost. Distinguish between whole life and term life policies. The former integrates investment features, whereas the latter solely pays out in the event of the insured's passing during the policy's term. If holding whole life insurance, contemplate switching to term life insurance for potential cost savings. Number 5, cable and internet. Prioritize transitioning away from traditional cable or satellite subscriptions in favor of streamlined alternatives such as skinny bundles, which offer a reduced selection of channels at a lower cost. These packages often allow for flexible subscription management and clearer pricing structures. Explore the viability of relying solely on a digital antenna for television access. Investigate different internet service providers to identify cost-effective options. For those with unlimited data plans, consider utilizing a mobile phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot to potentially eliminate the need for both cable and internet subscriptions. Number 6, clothes. To tidy up your closet, consider selling clothes you hardly wear. This can help make space and even earn you some extra cash. When you're tempted to buy new clothes, try waiting for a day or two before making the purchase. This gives you time to think if you really need it or if it's just a spur-of-the-moment decision. Also, check if you can find similar items at cheaper prices or if there are upcoming sales you can wait for. It's important to focus on what you need rather than what you want to avoid spending too much on clothes you might not use often. Number 7, entertainment. Entertainment costs can vary greatly from person to person. For some folks, they only make up a small part of their spending, but for others, they can take up a big chunk. Think about things like going to the movies, attending concerts, or indulging in hobbies such as golf or skiing. These things can add up fast, believe it or not. So it's important to find a middle ground between having fun and being smart with your money. Take a moment to think about whether those pricier hobbies are really worth it. Are they bringing you enough joy to justify the cost? If not, maybe it's time to look into some cheaper alternatives or ways to save money while still having a good time. You could keep an eye out for special deals or discounts, or maybe just cut back on how often you indulge in those activities. Over time, even small changes can add up to big savings, so don't be afraid to get creative and find ways to enjoy yourself without breaking the bank. Number 8. Gym memberships. Cancel your gym memberships to save money. However, investing in a gym membership can be worthwhile if you prioritize your finances. Consider whether you'll actually work out at home or outdoors instead. Remember, good health is essential for financial well-being. Regular exercise boosts energy levels and overall well-being while reducing medical expenses associated with poor health. Although not all illnesses can be prevented through exercise and diet alone, maintaining a gym membership can contribute to your overall health. Take advantage of workplace gym facilities if available. Compare prices and consider factors like daycare services if needed when choosing a gym. Opt for a low-cost gym option if available nearby. Number 9. Travel tips. Traveling without breaking the bank can be really satisfying, and guess what? It's totally doable if you know how to go about it. One smart trick is to make the most out of credit card bonuses. Yep, you heard it right. Some credit cards offer awesome perks like free flights or hotel stays when you spend a certain amount. So why not take advantage of that? Another thing you can do is to plan ahead. Don't wait until the last minute to book your trip. By planning in advance, you give yourself more time to hunt for the best deals. Compare prices for flights, hotels, and other expenses. You'll be surprised at how much you can save just by doing a little research. Plus, planning ahead allows you to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck without compromising on the quality of your trip. Number 10. Housing expenses. Housing costs have become increasingly burdensome for many individuals. To save on housing, consider trade-offs such as DIY renovations or prioritizing essential repairs. Delaying non-urgent projects can also translate to savings. Renters should assess their priorities, such as location versus space, and be willing to compromise where necessary. While rent prices may be beyond your control, self-awareness about your housing needs and financial situation can guide you towards the best decision. Thanks for tuning in to today's video packed with practical tips to boost your savings game. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content like this. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which tip you're most excited to try out. Remember, every little step counts on the journey to financial freedom. Until next time, happy saving.